Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this man or woman filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. To get this effect, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, you can go to search and you can search for this filter. Or what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for man or woman filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want.
Through his pants.
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect.
There's a big
Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, and to use this filter, just tap on the record button and wait for the result. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.